Hello, readers. Today's goal is in 114 here. Today, students will be able to perform and conduct a long write in one sitting by thoroughly examining a few character archetypes, pulling out fine details to make a claim with supporting evidence. Is that true or false? It's true. Entrance ticket 115. Q1, which kind of character archetype do you identify with? Pick two. I might be a hero, I might be a villain because, I might be a mentor because, I might be an ally because, I might be a trickster because, I might be an innocent because, I might be an average Joe because, I might be a shapeshifter because, and I gave the example, I think I might be a shapeshifter because I have to act out different roles every day, like daughter, sister, student, teacher. I think I might be a mentor because I love to help students see that music is literature, and often so is TV. Hashtag beats Shazam rules. And then 116, long write number 3. Today you'll be writing about character archetype. This time you will need to identify what kind of characters are found in your book. Hero, villain, mentor, ally, trickster, innocent, average shapeshifter, average Joe shapeshifter. If you don't have a book, you can use Lambda the Slaughter or Telltale Heart, or you can use a TV show, movie, magazine, song, music video, music artist, short film, or any other characters you can think of. In the book, one of the characters is a hero, villain. Pick one. I know this because on page blah 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 it says blah blah blah. I like this character because they. Another kind of character in my book, pick another character archetype. This person's job is to, this is true because on page, when you give the page number, it says, then give the quote, like just a line from the text. Finally, another example of a character archetype in my book is on page, the text says, this person is. Okay. And next is 117, I'm guessing. Exit ticket. News and updates. On Monday, October 26th, we are starting a new unit for ELA8. On Monday, we're going to be writing a memoir. A memoir is a story written about your life. If anyone wants extra credit, we have one more book club talk on Friday, 9:30 to 11. Google Meets code FAUST-ELA. And after today, there will only be 3 weeks left of our first quarter. All homework is due before November 13th. Discussion question 1. What is the best part about long distance learning so far? Sentence starter. The best part about distance learning so far is, and I just copied that and put it in the comment box, the awesome students who have great answers to questions in the Google Meets where we talk about life and music. Faust ELA rocks. Have a great day, everyone. Take care, and please come on Faust ELA Google Meet. Thank you. Bye-bye.